Good afternoon, guys. Good afternoon. It's Ijero. Yeah, it's Ijero. So I want to do a trade breakdown of the trade that I took on Euro JPY. That's Euro Japanese Yen. So I analyzed the trade this morning though. Yeah. So this is the trade. As you guys can see, from the 4 hour time frame, Euro JPY has been what? Has been bullish. I've been watching this trade closely. It has been what? It has been bullish since, although it gave this gap here, but since it broke this structure and it's keep on breaking structure to the what? To the upside. But this one now, it's been in the bullish what? In a bullish phase. So Euro JPY has been bullish, and I noticed something. I noticed something. Just watch closely. This is the previous high. Like this is the swing high here. This is the swing high. This high here now. This is the swing high. So I noticed that price did not break the what? The swing high from here. So if you come down to the 2 hour time frame, 2 hour time frame, it retraced, normally Euro USD is just breaking structure, correction, impulse move correction. So I understood something here from this Euro JPY trade now. This this correction, like this one, couldn't break this structure here. So I'm just watching it closely. It couldn't break the structure. This one broke it, but this one couldn't break this high here. So if you watch closely and you know price action well, you see that there's something like a what? A double top here. This place that I highlighted is a what? Is a double top. A double top means a what? A reversal pattern. Double top means reversal pattern. So yeah, that's it. So I mapped out the neckline around this area. But price, after that time, price what? Price broke this emo pattern or the double pattern. Yeah, or the double top, it should what? Tap into the neckline and what? Move straight to the downside. But it went up to retest this other block here that has an FVG. That's why this move was here. So, and if you watch closely, this is now a double top and it represents what? A reversal pattern. Remember that I said this was in a bullish phase, like it was in a bullish move here. So, but now, if you watch closely, you see that the market is will I say is reversing. Yes, it's turning to a bearish market. So let me go down to my 1 hour time frame. Let me go down to your 1 hour time frame. You see something like this. You see, although there is a strong level from here, I can drag it from here also. There's a strong level from here. There's a strong level. Price respect that level so much. Yeah, a strong level from here. And yeah, you've seen the double top here, and price is what? Is breaking structure to the what? To the downside. So as I've seen this double top, I didn't risk my money here in this place, or because if I should have taken a trade, I should have taken it from this breaker block right here, and the thing could have hit my stop loss also. But I will also know when to leave the market and when to leave it, or when to expand my stop loss, because I know that so far as this is a double top here, for this trade to be what? To be invalid, it should clear this what? This high here. It should clear this high. Do you get what I said? For this trade now, like, because when I came to this trade, I know that I was looking for only sales. For this trade to be invalid, you should clear this or this high here. Because if you clear this high, it means that this thing is no more a double top and it's not a reversal pattern again. So we should just leave it and be looking for what? A retest and push price to the upside. But price respected this high, it rejected from here. And this one couldn't break this high here. So price was moving to the downside. Price was moving to the downside. Okay, let me go to my 30 minutes time frame. Here we can see it clearly now. To my 30 minutes time frame. You guys should exercise patience. So I understood something from here, from this trade now. So when price broke this structure, do you get? When price, retraced back, it broke structure like impulse move correction, impulse move correction. I understood something while taking trade from this breaker block here. You see, if you should use SMC for this setup now, your order block should be somewhere around here and your fair value gap should be somewhere around here. So, but I looked closely, man, there is no valid order block from here. And all these areas has been what has been mitigated. Now, no even sign of liquidity here. So, what I did, I looked into this place. I saw a breaker block close to the what? To the FVG. So I was just waiting patiently. So when price broke this structure with, and how I know that this thing is a what? Is a valid break of structure is because it broke it with, will I say, a huge candle that closed fully well. Do you get? A huge candle that closed fully well that has an FVG. This FVG now shows an imbalance in the market, that the market must surely what? Must surely come to what? To fill. So that's it. As you can see, that's why I took the trade on what? On the breaker block. On the breaker block. Although I'll send the screenshot of this one. This one I used the tight stop loss from here, but the thing just taught me that I went out from the trader and said, let me just look well. And if you can look clearly, remember this key level from here. I told you guys that is a very, very strong level. If you can look clearly, this thing now is what? Is a, well, let's a falling wedge. A falling wedge when price is just, okay, let me just highlight it for you and show you. This is a falling wedge. Let me delete it. Wait, please, exercise patience. This is a falling wedge. So if you can see, this is just a what? A falling wedge. And let me show you guys another confluence, another confluence that shows that this our what? Our setup. I will not just say that is an A plus setup, but our setup is what? Is very, very strong and is okay. This is a falling wedge that implies that the market is going to what? Is going to sell from here. So understood something. When this trade stopped me out, the thing still retraced back. This is a trend line. Trend line traders will be what? Will be buying from here. Will be buying from here. So when this trade stopped me out, I know my bias on this Euro JPY because my bias was what? Was sales, was bearish. So understood something here. You see that there's a high here. This high, let me map it out. Just watch closely. There was a high in this place. So I look closely. This bullish candle now couldn't break this high. If you go to my 5 minutes, you see that it couldn't what? It couldn't break the high. Just watch closely. It couldn't break the high. Although understand that my interest was in this trade because it was forming a falling wedge. This is a wedge pattern, a falling wedge. You can go and study your chart patterns very well. A falling wedge. So this thing now, you saw this, will I say, this candle that implies a what? A reversal pattern in this key zone. So that's it. My interest was in the trade. I put my limit there also. I put my limit there because I was willing to risk the money. Although it was not a real account, it was a prop account I bought yesterday, a Naira account though. So this is a falling wedge. And if you can look closely again, you can see that there was another double top. That implies a what? A reversal. Do you get? Normally on the lower time frame, people will be what? Looking to buy this trade. They will be looking to buy this trade, or be, there was a break of structure, price retrace back the other block, break of structure, retrace back the other block. But this break of structure didn't occur. It formed a what? A double top that implies that this small uptrend now is going to switch to what? The downtrend. So let me just see if I can break it down a little bit for you guys. So see it here. It formed another double top from here, and it was what pushing to the downside. Although if I should add another position to this trade, it should be what? It should be on this neckline. On this neckline. See, on this neckline from here. This neckline. Let me highlight it. It should be on this neckline. It should be on this neckline. So I will just be waiting for price to what? To retest my neckline, and I will sell from there. But it will not give me a good risk to reward. And another thing is that I will not know where to put my stop loss, because I was seeing something like some gaps here that price may what? May attract and still push to the downside. So I stood to this my to that my destiny, my first sales, because my stop loss was above these highs here. Even though price should come and hit my stop loss, I will know, yes, I know that we are not looking for sales again. Let's just be seeing what price is going to do, because if you see that type of a thing, you just know that price is going to what? Start buying. So that's the thing. And price broke this thing. Even trend line traders will take it as what? A break and retest. Trend line traders, as this trend line was broken, they wait for the retest and they'll still push price to the what? To the downside. And another thing is that when a trend line is broken, when a trend line is broken, you guys should understand me. I told you guys that what? That this thing now was a small uptrend, and if you look it from a far picture, you get that this is a falling wedge. And another thing is that well, when a trend line is broken, even though some people, the other block may be here to what? To buy the market or to push the market to the upside, but when a trend line is broken and your other block is within that trend line that is broken, all those other block or zones will be what? Will be liquidity areas. All this area now, this area, this area, they are what? They are liquidity. They are liquidity. All this area. Wait, let me mark that for you. All this area, they are what? They are liquidity. And it must be taken out. It must. It must be taken out. This area now. This area. Do you see? Their liquidity. And it must be taken out. So that's the thing. I normally use risk to reward 1 to 3. I don't do much, just 1 to 3. I'll risk one to get 3 of it. So that's it. This have already given us our destiny, our, will I say, our full take profit. Okay, let me show you guys my destiny, my screenshot of the trade. When I analyze the trade, let me just I think it's this one. Sure, this one. Okay, this one is when it was moving. Wait, let me show you guys. Analyze the trade. No, no. EOJPY. Yes, I think it's this one. So can you guys see the trade? This was the what? The trade from the 15 minutes time frame. This was the trade that we took now. And I think we have hit our take profit. Let me check my. I think we have hit our take profit. Okay, still remaining small. Still remaining small. So you guys can see it. Let me screenshot it and show you guys in the system. I've already screenshotted it. I'm going to see it now in the system. So let's exercise more patience. Yes, that's come out. See the trade is a proper account. Is a proper account. Can you guys see it? Can you guys see it? This is the screenshot now. This is the screenshot. This is my limit orders for GBPJPY, but I don't think that this limit order for GBPJPY will be valid again. That's what I told you. My what? Oh, what did I do here? What did I do here? Wait. Let me bring it for you. Redmi 13C. Let's see. Let's see images. screenshots. So this one should just open now. What's wrong? It's but you can see it now. It's full take profit. So that's it. But I still want to. Let me just screenshot it again and send it to you guys. No. Okay. See the screenshot here. Uh, that's that's it. That's it. Uh, so see the screenshot here. That's the trade. This is the trade. So right now I'll still be dropping more videos. Thank you for your support. Your peace out. Peace out.